guys, I'm going to show you how to set up a TikTok Seller Central account for a LLC or business. So just go to Google, type in anything, set up TikTok Seller account. Just click on this, go to sign up now. And here you want to use email address. Here, click sign up now. Do this little thing to make sure that you're a human. Match the two shapes. Then they send a verification code to your email. Enter in your code. And here you can set your password. Click next. This is where you can set up either an individual or a sole proprietor, corporation, partnership, or nonprofit. I'm going to go with a corporation. Click next. Here you're going to put in your company name, your EIN number, I'm going to put yes, this business has one beneficial owner. I'm going to put in the street address of the business. Okay. And because my business is at my home address, I'm going to click this. I certify do not have a business address and only have a residential or a combined business and residential address. And then from here, I'm going to click next. Roles within the business. I'm going to say I'm beneficial owner. I am 100% owner of this business. I'm going to go with my legal name. And I'm going to do my birth date. And again, my residential address, which is the same as the business address. Then you also put the last four of your social. And then click next. I do not have a parent company. I do not work with third parties or subcontractors, which this is just asking anybody who would have access to any store data. Does not include third-party payment platforms like Shopify, PayPal, or Stripe. And then you also click that I confirm I'm compliance with security requirements and confirm that there are no purposes which TikTok user data will be collected, accessed, or used other than in the merchant's terms of services. Click next. Here I'm going to do a shop name. And then I'm going to do, you can do a primary product or service. You can pick any of these. I'm just going to pick home supplies. Here they're going to want to verify you through your phone number. They're going to send you a code. Click submit. And at this point, you're one step closer to opening your shop. Just click get started. Here you can start to add in your information, your tax information, things like that. Typically, these stores get approved within a few minutes. You just got to watch your email. And once it's approved, then you can start selling. So if you guys are interested, also, we do have a team that we have running our TikTok stores. They're actually go in here and they'll list products for you and run everything from the day to day. We do drop shipping right now. We're working towards getting towards like a kind of like a white label where we purchase products and ship them into a pack and prep or like a 3PL, and then we ship them out to the clients directly. So a lot of things that we're working on right now that are pretty exciting. So if you're interested in talking to us about that, you can set up a call with us. I'll put a link below to book a call and and a link to the page on our site to learn more about how that product would work. And actually, let me just go check my email quick. Yeah, here we go. I got the email right here. Your TikTok has been approved. Start selling. Please visit the seller center here. And there's also a university and frequently asked questions. So store already approved. Pretty awesome. Easy to do. Again, talk to us if you're interested in having somebody run the store for you. Yeah, otherwise, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.